স্যার আসলাম।
ওকে,
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম।
স্যার আপনি একটু রুল 6টা দেখাবেন।
ওকে বয়েস,
স্যার রুল 6টা একটু দেখাবেন স্যার, একটু বাকি ছিল।
okay boys, welcome to my English class. Today we will discuss on transformation of sentences. However, I hope all of you are well and sound during this pandemic situation.
Yes sir, we are
I am
fit and
also
fine.
fine. So today we are going to start my class. So I am Jakaria Alam, short name MJA, lecturer in English, Dhaka Residential Model College. So today's topic is transformation of sentences. Today we will discuss on this topic. So first of all, before going to start the rules, we have to know what is transformation. So here you see transformation of sentences. We'll discuss today affirmative to negative. So after this discussion, you will be able to differ conversion and transformation. Tell the definition of transformation, transform sentences from affirmative to negative. So you know what is conversion and what is transformation. You know, conversion is different, and if we know the conversion, we can say the conversion is the form of a sentence which can be changed the meaning and the form, but the transformation, we can what is transformation? Sentence can be transformed in different forms, but the meaning will be same. So the difference between conversion and transformation is that transformation, in the transformation sentence the structure of sentence will be changed, but the meaning will remain same. On the other hand, conversion is that the structure of the sentence will be changed and the meaning will also be changed. However, today we will transform the sentences from affirmative to negative.
Sorry to interrupt, but some of our friends
স্যার একজন হচ্ছে ওয়েটিং রুমে আছে।
Be silent boys. Okay, affirmative to negative. Now we can go to the rule number 1. Here you see, if we want to transform the positive or affirmative sentence in which we can find only, alone or merely, we can change it into negative using none but for person, nothing but for things, and not more than or not less than for number. Example, you see, affirmative, only Nahid is a stupid boy. Here you see Nahid is a person, so we are using none but. So none but Nahid is a stupid boy here. Next example, only a small boat was available. Here you see a small boat is a thing, so we are using nothing but. Nothing but a small boat was available. Next, he is only 10. Here you see 10 is a number. So we can take either not more than or not less than. So here you see he is not more or less than 10. So from the rule 1, we have learned that for only, alone and merely, we'll take none but for person, nothing but for things, and not more than or not less than for number to make it negative. Next, number 2. If we find a must or has to or have to or need to in affirmative sentence, so we'll use cannot but plus verb or cannot help plus verb plus ing. For example, we must pray to Allah. To make it negative, we are using cannot but, then the base form of the verb. We cannot but pray to Allah. In another way, we can change it. We can take cannot help. We cannot help. But after we cannot help, we have to take verb plus ing, because here is another verb, help. So in a simple sentence, if you find a principal verb, then another verb will be verb plus ing. And next example, you see here, you must obey your parents. So for must, we can take cannot but obey your parents, or you cannot help obeying your parents.
স্যার এটা কি রেকর্ডেড ক্লাস নাকি স্যার ইটস রিয়েল?
Okay, next slide. I will go to next slide. Rule 3 for had to and needed to. Here you see had to and needed to is in the past form. So for this we have to take could not but plus verb or could not help plus verb plus ing. So affirmative, in the affirmative, I needed to go there. So we have to take could not but instead of needed to make it negative. So or I can I could not help going there. So after could not help, we have to take verb plus ing. So next rule, number 4, you see sometimes, for sometimes we will use not always. Not always. And for example, if we give an example, Shumon sometimes visits me. Here you see for sometimes we have to take not always, but in the present tense, in the present indefinite tense, we have to take does. To make it negative, we have to take auxiliary verb does, and then not, then always. And after the verb, you see here is a s, and this s will be omitted because we are taking does. In the present indefinite tense, we are taking does. Okay, next slide. We are going to next slide. Okay, for many, we will take not a few. Example, I have many friends. So I have not a few friends. And rule 6, here you see a few. For a few, not many. So I have a few friends. I have not many friends. Both are opposite. For many, not a few. For a few, not many. Okay, we'll go to the next slide now. For maths, we will use not a little, like he has much money. For negative, he has not a little money. It's very simple and easy. And another one is for a little, we will take not much. He has a little rice, he has not much rice. You see, mass is taken place before uncountable noun, and a little is also taken place before uncountable noun. But many or a few take place before countable noun. However, I will go to the next slide. Slide number 9. Here you see, for everyone, everybody, or every person. Here you see every plus common noun. So to make it negative, for every we will take there is no, then the attached word of every. Then we'll take but. Affirmative, in affirmative, everybody believes an honest man. So for every we will take there is no, then the attached word body we have to put it here. Then the conjunction or relative pronoun we can use here as but believes an honest man. So there is nobody but believes an honest man. Or we can change it in another way. There is nobody who does not. Here we are taking who does not because nobody is a person. For person we can also use who does not instead of but. But when we use who does not, then we have to omitted or deleted s or yes after the verb. If it is in the past form, then we have to take did not, who did not. If it is in the future tense, then we have to take who will not or who shall could not, like this. And in another way, we can also sense this sentence, and that is nobody disbelieves an honest man. Here you see, we are doing negative, adding no with body. Then the verb is opposite verb. We are taking opposite verb. So nobody disbelieves an honest man. Here you can sense this sentence in this way also. Number 10. See, as soon as. If you see any in affirmative sentence as soon as at the very first of the sentence, then we have to take no sooner had for as soon as, and the verb after subject will be in the past participle form, because we are taking no sooner had as had is taken here. So the principal verb will be in past participle form. And then instead of comma, we have to use then. So the sentence is, no sooner had he seen the police than the thief ran away. Okay, next rule of 11. For always we will take we'll take never. For example, Diba was always punctual. So here you see, always, for always we are taking never, and for punctual we are taking late. because late is the opposite word of punctual. So we are making negative using never and the opposite word after the never, after never. Okay, next slide. We are going to rule 12. Here you see, for the last time or for good or forever, we will take never or again. Never again. For example, you see, he came here for the last time. Negative, he never came here again. So we are taking never and at the last of the sentence again. Number 13, both dot dot and. For both dot dot and, we have to take not only dot dot but also. For both, not only, and for and but also. Both Tom and John went to Dhaka. To make it negative, for both we are using not only, and for and we are using but also, and the sentence is negative. I hope all of you understood you. Okay, we are going to the next slide.
Yes, sir. We
স্যার
yes.
স্যার একজন ঢুকতে পারছে না।
Okay.
স্যার অনেকেই ওয়েটিং রুমে বসে আছে।
Okay. Now let's see rule 14. As dot dot as. To make it negative, for the first as, we have to take not less, and for the next as or the last as, we have to take then. Here you see, here he is as tall as his brother. So to make it negative, for the first as, we are taking not less. And for the second as, we are taking then. So it becomes negative sentence. And rule 15, absolute superlative degree. For the superlative degree, if we want to make it negative, so we have to transform it into positive degree, then it will be negative. So to make it positive degree or negative, we have to take first no other, then the noun after adjective. Here you see, he is the best boy in the class. So at first we are taking no other, then the noun and the rest of the sentence, the boy in the class, then the verb will be taken place. So here as the boy is a singular form, so we are taking the verb singular, then an adverb will be taken place, so then adjective, and then conjunction as, and at the last we are taking the subject he. So no other boy in the class is so good as he. Okay, have you written it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any question?
No, sir.
No, sir. We don't have any questions, sir.
Sir, I have a question.
Okay, go on.
I have a question.
Sir, what is absolute superlative degree?
Absolute means only he is the only person. He is the only person, or the superlative. That means if I want to say he is the best man, that means no other boy is the best. Only he is the best. Okay. That's why we are calling it as absolute. But when some others people are best, like he is one of the best boys, that means you are one of them who are best boys in the class. Okay. Okay. Next, number 16, 2 dot dot 2. To make it negative, we have to take so dot dot that, and after this we have to take cannot or could not. If 2 sentence is in the present form, we have to take cannot, or if it is in the past form, then we have to take could not. For example, he is too weak to work. Here you see is in the present form, so we have to use cannot. So for the first two we are using so, then conjunction that, and the subject will come here, then cannot and walk. So he is so weak that he cannot walk. And rule 17, for universal truth, if you don't find any opposite word, then you have to make it negative interrogative. Or if you find any opposite word, then you can write not plus opposite word. Like if I say he is mortal, or man is mortal. Man is not immortal, because the immortal is the opposite word of mortal. But here you see health is wealth, there is no opposite word, so we have to make it negative interrogative. Clear?
Yes, sir.
When you find opposite word, you can simply use not then opposite word. But if you don't have any opposite word, then you have to make it a negative interrogative.
Okay, sir.
Like another example is honesty is the best policy. So isn't honesty the best policy? Okay. Have you done it? Okay. Next. Rule 18. Sometimes affirmative sentences are changed into negative by using opposite word. What I said a few minutes ago. Before the word of course not is used. Let's see. I shall remember you. That means I shall not forget you. Here we are using not and the opposite word or opposite verb of remember to make it negative. Let's see another rule number 19. For and, if two adjectives or two nouns are added by and, then we can use not only ... but also. For example, he was obedient and gentle. Here you see obedient and gentle are two adjectives, and these two adjectives are added by and. So before the first adjective we are taking not only, and for and we are taking but also. Okay, Tazwan Haq has written, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is not the worst policy. You may write. Okay. Another, here you see the example. And in the next slide, I will show you some opposite words and you will write down the words. Okay. Okay, up to this 19 rules, do you have any question? If you have, you can question me.
No, sir.
All clear?
Sir. So are there any more rules or just 19?
From affirmative to negative, 19 rules is enough. 19 rules are enough.
স্যার আপনি আরেকবার স্যার রুল 7টা দেখাবেন?
Rule 7.
Yes sir.
Okay, I will send you all these slides. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, I have a question.
Okay, go on.
Sir, in the previous class you gave rule number 20. Sir, do you have to follow that one?
No. There was
Sir, sir, in
okay.
previous class, the rule
Here
4
you
and
see,
20 were
boys.
same.
Yeah, here you see some opposite words. Here you see some opposite words. You can take a screenshot or you may write. Active, the opposite word is inactive, idle, lazy. Always, never. Brave, timid, cowardly. Comfortable, uncomfortable. Doubtful, sure or certain. Friend, foe or enemy. Grateful, ungrateful. Happy, unhappy. Honest, dishonest. Honor, dishonor. Healthy, unhealthy. Just, unjust. Kind, unkind or cruel. Love, hate. Moral, immoral. Okay. Next, mortal or immortal. Pleasant, unpleasant. Rich, poor. Remember, forget. Sincere, insincere. Wise, unwise.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Okay. Now, if you have any questions or if you want to know something regarding this topic, you may question now.
No, sir, I don't have any questions, sir.
Sir,
Isn't the
কোনো
opposite
question
word of
নেই।
certain uncertain?
Sorry, I cannot get you.
Sir, isn't the opposite word of certain uncertain?
Yes.
Sir, sir, can we write sad instead of unhappy for the opposite of happy?
It is better to write unhappy.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Because
স্যার
unhappy
এই
is the
পার্টে কি
opposite
আর
word
কোনো
of
কিছু আছে?
happy. Okay.
অ্যাফার্মেটিভ টু নেগেটিভ মধ্যে কি স্যার আর অন্য কিছু আছে স্যার আর অন্য কিছু?
Okay. No, these rules are enough for you.
ওকে স্যার।
Okay. Now, you will sense
হোমওয়ার্ক ওকে।
not homework. Now you will do this. You will solve this. Insincere, not unsincere. Sincere,
এটা
the
কি স্যার
opposite
CW?
word of sincere is insincere, not unsincere.
স্যার এটা কি CW নাকি HW?
Now you solve these problems. You are given only 7 minutes.
ওকে স্যার।
7 minutes to solve these problems. You will finish your writing at 6 or 7. Very
Yes, sir.
easy and simple. I think all of you may finish within 5 minutes.
We are writing questions.
You don't need to write. You may just write the answer. I will send you all these slides.
Okay, sir. Then we will only write the answers.
Okay. So first one is only the brave deserve the fair. Number 2, only the moon was visible. You must obey your teacher. Yes. Okay. Number 3, you must obey your teachers. All men must die. As soon as he see me, he ran away. Every man hates a liar. Number 7, I shall always remember your advice. Number 8, they were right in thinking so. Number 9, he was too honest to take the money. Number 10, we should always speak the truth.
So done. So I finished my writing.
Okay. It is very easy and simple. If you read once again, the rules once again, you can solve these questions easily. And you are very intelligent enough and good enough to solve these questions within a few minutes. Okay, have you done it?
No, sir. Please give us some more time.
Sir, 2
Okay.
left only.
I am
Only 1 minute, sir.
Some more
Please.
time.
now I am writing the solution. Okay.
Sir, 1 minute.
You
Sir, 1
may
minute.
Sir, finish.
match your answer. So the first one is none but, because the brave means a nation or the same race. It means the same race or the brave people. Okay. Then the second one is nothing but, because the moon is a thing. So we have to take none but for only. Next, you must obey your teacher. So first for must we have to take
Cannot but.
Cannot but.
Cannot but.
cannot but. Cannot but obey your teachers. Or you may write, you cannot help obeying
obey.
your teachers. Okay, number 4, all men must die. So we can
Must not
use
all men die.
cannot
but.
but
Cannot
die.
but
Die.
die.
Or all men cannot help dying.
die.
Okay, next, as soon as. For as soon as, we will take no sooner.
No sooner had.
No sooner had. Then the verb will be in the past participle form.
Seen. He
And-
seen me.
Yes. For then and he
And
ran
he
away.
ran away.
Yes. Number 6, there is no man hates a liar. There
Yes, sir. No man hates a liar.
Ki no man likes a liar.
there
Hate
is
বলছি।
no man
There is no man
but hates a liar.
Hates a liar.
Or we can write no man loves a liar. No man
Nerd.
no man
Loves a liar.
Loves a liar.
no man loves a
Loves a liar.
liar. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, I shall always remember you. So what should we take for always to make it negative?
Son, I shall
Never. Never.
I
I
shall
shall
never.
never
And the
I shall
opposite word
never
of
forget your advice.
yes.
Forget.
Yes, sir.
Forget your advice. Then they were right in thinking so.
They were not wrong in thinking so.
Yes. They were not wrong.
In thinking so.
Nerd.
Wrong in thinking so. And number 9, he was too honest to take the money. He was so honest
Honest.
that
he
Could not take the money.
In that he could not take the money.
Take the money.
couldn't take the money.
Yes.
Couldn't take the money.
Not.
স্যার একজন স্যার ঢুকতে পারছে না স্যার
Okay. Keep silent.
ভাই এখন তো ক্লাস শেষ কি ঢুকবে?
ফারহান নার্ড
Okay. Next, we should always speak the truth. So we can write, we should never tell a
We should
lie.
never tell a lie.
Never
Tell a lie.
tell a lie.
নাই। তো তাহলে কি আজকের ক্লাস এখানে শেষ?
Yes, that's all for today. If you have any
স্যার কোনো এসডব্লিউ দিবেন
if you have any question, you may tell me.
আমো না এত কিছু বলার দরকার নেই
স্যার এইচডব্লিউ
স্যার এই স্লাইডগুলো স্যার আপনি গ্রুপে দিয়ে দেন।
Okay.
হ্যাঁ
So this is the HW.
হ্যাঁ এইচডব্লিউ তো লাগবে
Homework for you.
জি স্যার
Okay.
Okay. You may
Okay,
take
sir.
a screenshot for homework.
Okay, sir. Sir, me taking a screenshot.
Sir, can you please
Sir,
send
nice
us the
drawing.
slides?
Okay.
Sir, আপনি হোম
Okay. Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
ইয়েস স্যার
So after 1 minute, the class will be over. After 1 minute, the class will be over. So have you written it? The homework?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
আপনি এই স্লাইডটাও স্যার পাঠিয়ে দিয়েন তাহলেই তো হয়ে যায়।
স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে নিচ্ছি স্যার
Okay. Okay, boys. Thank you very much. Be safe and sound during this pandemic situation, which is going on
Assalamualaikum,
all
sir.
over the world.
Assalamualaikum, sir. Allah Hafiz.
And
Assalamualaikum,
be
sir.
good,
Allah Hafiz.
for the next class. So hope you have enjoyed it. We'll discuss next topic in the next class. So be good, and thank you all for joining this class. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Sir.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.